Hello friends, this is Anurag Mishra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can download and install MySQL's latest version, which is basically 8.0.30. So I'm not going to take so long in this video to guide you how we will be doing this. We are going to start immediately. Now what you need to do is you need to open browser, whichever you prefer. I'm going to open Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type download MySQL. And here you can see this MySQL. You need to click on this first link and scroll down a little bit. And here you can see this MySQL community download. Just click on this. And here are a lot of options, but we just need to click on this MySQL community server. And now scroll a little bit, and you can see this other downloads and all that. You don't need to download any of them. Just click on this go to download page. And here you can see there are two options. Basically, this 5.5 MB size of this application is for those who have active internet connection and prefer to install this software online. I mean, after installing this installer, you will be installing the software by using your internet connection. Okay. And the second option is totally offline. You just need to download this. And so I'm going for this option, the second one. So just click on this download, and you don't need to log in or sign up for anything. Just click on this no thanks and just start my download. So guys, as you can see, this download has been completed. Just click on this open and open the application. Just click on yes. And yeah, there are plenty of options you can see, but you can read by clicking one by one and what are these all things. But I will prefer you all just go for this developer default, because it is going to install all the default application that is set by this application MySQL installer. Okay, so just click on this developer default and continue. If you want to install anything else, you can just click on this. It will install all the applications like MySQL Server, MySQL Shell, and etc. If you want to install only MySQL Server or database, just click on Custom. You will be downloading and installing only custom thing. So I'm going to click on this. Just click on Next and move on with the next step. Look, this is a requirement step. Let me read out the requirement details. This is a manual requirement. You can attempt to resolve this requirement using the information provided. Look, what it means is you must have Visual Studio Code, or as you can see, I have that one. Uh, here, yeah, here you can see I have this one. It is asking you to have any of this version, which is 2015, 2017, or 2019. I have 2020. I have the latest version basically, and just click on the next. Don't worry about anything. And those products with missing requirement will not be installed or upgraded. Do you want to continue? Yes, click on yes. And now you are in the main step. Just click on execute, and it will install all the all the files over here. Just click on execute, and it will install all the files. So as you can see, friends, installation has been completed. Now just click on next, and you can see ready to configure. Click on next. So here you need to choose any one of them. Here are three options, as you can see. I will ask you to just go for this development computer. But if you are only going to work on MySQL database on your laptop, then you have to choose this one. And if you are going to put a little bit more heavy users than your regular and less than dedicated, then go for this server computer. But I will ask you to just go for this development computer. Click on this and leave it as it is. It is filled. Just click on next. Okay, you don't need to touch anything. Just click on next. Look, here it is saying that authentication method. Go for the default one, redefault. So just click on next and create your password. I'm going to create a very normal password, and yeah, now just click on add user and give a name. I'm going to give my name and db admin. Basically, there are a lot of admins you can see, but I will ask you to go for DB admin because it is going to grant all the permissions to perform all the tasks. So just leave it as it is. Now you just need to write down a password. You can keep the same password as you wrote here. It is MySQL root password, but you can keep the same password for your user account too. So I'm just going to write the same password. Okay, and it's very simple. Click on OK, and you have successfully added the user. Now just click on next, and I will ask you to keep it as it is. Don't do anything over here. Just click on next. Now this is going to execute again, and we'll just give a final touch. You don't need to worry about anything. Just click on execute. So here you can see the setup has been completed. Now just click on this finish, and configuration complete. MySQL router ready to configure. Sample and example ready to configure. Just click on next. Nothing to worry about. And leave it as it is. Just click on next. Or if you have any hesitation and if you want to remember all these things, just do one thing. Just go for a screenshot. And in my case, I'm just going to take this much. Yeah, done. Just click on finish. Click on next. Yeah. Just confirm your password, whatever you wrote there. And here you can see the connection has been success. Just click on next. You don't need to worry about anything. Again, I am telling you. And yeah, I knew a lot of you are going to ask me for the 64-bit. You can see the architecture is 64, not 32, the one we downloaded. Okay, so this is a 64-bit. So just click on this next, and just click on execute. Nothing to do over here. Yeah, done. Just click on finish. You have successfully installed. Just click on next. So guys, you have successfully installed MySQL latest version server, or you can say MySQL installer, or you can say MySQL community server. Whatever you want to say, you can say it. And you have successfully installed it. It is going to launch this MySQL workbench and MySQL shell. Just click on finish. Yeah, this is shell. And if you will double click on this, it is going to open. You need to write a password and just press OK. So here is your workbench. Just close this for now. And this is your shell, MySQL shell. Just click on help. Just write down help. And you can see all these are the commands, general commands. So this is what it is. So friends, you have successfully installed your MySQL server. And so friends, thank you for watching. This video ends over here. But as if you have stayed till this moment, then I will ask you to just give me a few more moments. I will ask you to check out the description. Like if you face any issues whatsoever, if you have any issues while installing the software or anything, you can comment in the comment section, or else you can reach out to us by going into the description. And this link has provided there. You just need to click on that and you will be redirected to this page, and you can take help in any form. You can visit our website, you can contact us through. You just need to fill basic details, your message and etc. And you can contact us through Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. This was all about this video, and I hope I was able to help you in installing MySQL server. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice day. Good night.